Ever found yourself pondering over how chemical bonds form? Well, let's dive right in. At the heart of it all are atoms, the building blocks of everything that surrounds us. These atoms are on a constant quest for stability. To achieve this, they may share, lose, or even gain electrons, creating a bond with other atoms in the process. This is the fundamental principle that underpins a chemical bond. In essence, a chemical bond is the glue that holds atoms together. Did you know there are different types of chemical bonds? Let's unveil these unseen forces that hold our universe together. First up, we have ionic bonds. Picture two atoms, one with an extra electron it doesn't really need, and another craving for that electron. The generous atom donates its electron and voila, an ionic bond forms. Next, we have covalent bonds. Here, atoms believe in sharing. They share one or more electrons, creating a strong bond that's hard to break. A perfect example? The oxygen we breathe forms a covalent bond. Finally, let's talk about metallic bonds. These are a bit different. Imagine a sea of electrons freely moving among a network of positively charged ions. This free movement gives metals their unique properties like malleability and conductivity. So whether it's the salt in your food, the water you drink, or the gold in your jewelry, chemical bonds are at play. But how exactly do these bonds form? Let's take the example of water. You see, a water molecule, represented as H2O, is made up of two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom. Here's how it all comes together. Each hydrogen atom has a single electron, and it's this electron that it's eager to share. Oxygen, on the other hand, has 6 electrons in its outer shell, but it's not quite satisfied. It's looking for 2 more to reach the ideal number of 8. So, what happens next is pure chemistry. Each hydrogen atom shares its one electron with the oxygen atom. In return, oxygen shares one of its own electrons with each hydrogen atom. This sharing or exchange of electrons forms what we call covalent bonds. In this arrangement, all atoms reach a stable state. They have full outer shells just as they prefer. And voila, we have a water molecule. And that, my friends, is the magic of chemical bonds. Let's revisit what we've learned today. Chemical bonds are the glue that holds atoms together. They come in different flavors: ionic, covalent, and metallic, each with its own unique properties. We dived into how these bonds form, taking the formation of a water molecule as an example. So the next time you quench your thirst with a glass of water, remember the fascinating chemistry that went into making each tiny molecule. Until next time, keep wondering, keep learning,